Here I have a Wise lock. It's a 3-pin, they're not really pins, they're rings. Little padlock. See on the side here. Right here's the shear line. What happens is the front right here, once it's picked, turns to let you lock up whatever it is you're locking up. I received this one from eBay, picked it several times, sprayed it with WD-40, and after that I couldn't pick it ever again. So I drilled it to take it apart, and I'm going to try to pick it here real quick and then gut it to show you what's inside one of these things. So it's a pain to pick. I didn't realize that one of the drivers is a mushroom in these things. And the pick I'm using is just one of the Sparrow's bypass tools. Knife tool, I forget what they call this one, but you can see there's I'm going to call it a false. I'm stuck on that middle mushroom pin now that doesn't want to play. So the cuts on this one, now that I've taken it apart and picked it a few times, are crazy. It's max bitting, I think, high, low, high. And I'll show you that once I can get her picked here. It's kind of hard. Kind of a hard lock anyway, for me at least, and then I'm trying to hold it together and keep tension on it. So I'll reset it. Keeps wanting to pop apart on me. There it is, picked open. So what I'm going to do now is hold it together, and we're not going to count that as a real pick because I said it's too hard to hold it all together. And as you can see, there's my shear line, there's my pins. Just want to go ahead and let her go easy here. Point this down so we see what we got. Okay, here's the boom, boom, boom. Here we go. Okay, there's that side of the body. Here is the other side. And we get some pins. Okay, here's our key pins. We've got the outer ring. We have the second ring, middle ring, and we have the inner pin. So there's all those. And we've got, these are the drivers. There's the driver for the outer ring. There's the mushroom for the inner ring. And we have the driver for the Actually, that's, I got it mixed up. That's how it goes. So there's the 6 pins. There are the springs. This one here, as you can see, has got a little pin on it. That was bent when I took it apart the first time. I had to straighten it back out, but that actually goes inside of there and puts pressure on this center pin. And then we've got a spring for the outer ring and a spring for the middle. Is right there. So that's it. Just a little pick in and a breakdown for you. So again, we got the outer. So these are we're gonna call the key pins. And over here we got the drivers with the spool and that one. I may put this back together and try to fix it. It's not going to be a permanent fix, but see, what I did is these pieces go together, and then the metal right here is kind of folded over. So I may just drill this and tap it and put a screw in there. I know it won't be secure, but it'll at least be good enough to put it back together for picking purposes. So I can pick it without that spreading, creating a bigger shear line, which is what I think I did when I just picked it open for you a few minutes ago. So that's it. 3-pin wise lock, picked and gutted. Thanks for watching.